Take a look at this piece of code. Let's say we want to find all occurrences of the write line in the current file. You can press Ctrl and F to display the Find dialog. Type in write line. As you see, all occurrences of the write line are highlighted. The closest to the cursor is in focus. Now you can press F3 to focus on the next occurrence of the write line. Or you can press Shift and F3 to focus on the previous occurrence of the write line. Now let's say we want to replace the write line method with the write method. You can press Ctrl and H to display the replace dialog. Type in the replacement text here and then press Alt and A, as in short for all. This will replace all occurrences of the write line method with the write method. If you don't want to replace all occurrences of the write line, you can iterate through the occurrences using F3 and then replace the currently highlighted occurrence by pressing Alt and R. You can also search for all occurrences of the write line across all files in the current project or solution. To do so, press Ctrl, Shift, and F. Let's review. Press Ctrl and F to display the Find dialog. Press Ctrl, Shift, and F to display the Find in Files dialog. Press F3 to find the next occurrence of the search text. Press Shift and F3 to find the previous occurrence of the search text. To replace the text, press Ctrl and H to display the Replace dialog. To replace the currently selected occurrence, press Alt and R. To replace all occurrences of the search text, press Alt and A.